Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? 8:32 in the morning. Alright, people. Hyper as ever, like always. I always up, always on the move. Woke up at 5 something, 5:40, 6 o'clock, something like that. So, like I said, people, on an every single day basis, you want to grind and you want to stay focused on what you're doing. Alright, so like whatever it is, you can even watch one of my videos and you're not even using anything I do on YouTube. You see what I'm saying? But still use everything that I'm doing as far as grinding, as far as trying to figure it out, as far as not being satisfied. Alright, people, so I'm just gonna do a quick it's gonna be my vlog, it's gonna be the daily vlog video. Just showing you guys like you gotta be different, alright? Like you gotta be different, alright? This is how to be different, alright? Like wake up in the morning, first thing you gotta do is work out. Like you gotta have some type of workout. And I'm talking about wake up before the kids wake up, like before his family wakes up, alright? It's like you gotta be up. You gotta be up, alright, people? So wake up early, do what you gotta do, right? Work out, hop in the shower, come out, start your day. Like, you feel what I'm saying? It's gotta be every single day, alright? So on a daily basis, as soon as I wake up, get my workout in, hop out the shower, first thing I do. Like I said, I'm gonna be walking around a little bit, and I'm about to cash out too real quick. Gotta check my filter real quick. I gotta check the filter real quick to make sure all right. Alright, this is in the morning before work and everything like that, right? This is before I go to work and anything like that, right? So, and this is like small things I'm trying to tell you guys, like I be needing to buy stuff and have that extra stuff like that. So like, where are you gonna get the money from this? You cannot keep using the 9-to-5 money, right? This is why I made my channel, to make sure that everybody is understanding, like on an every single day basis, everybody's understanding, like you need to figure something out. You need to have some type of stream of income, and you need to keep pulling streams of income from other places, like wherever you got to do, online or offline. All right. So this is every single day. You're grinding, you're pushing, scratching, clawing, whatever you got to do. Whatever you see my channel, people, like I'm not doing nothing crazy. It's $10 cash out, $20 cash out, $50 cash out, $40 cash out. You know what I'm saying? Like $100 cash out. Nothing crazy. Ain't nobody making thousands and thousands and thousands, nah. But when you do what you gotta do, and you know what I'm saying, you pull it in every single day, it's a stream of income. You just created a stream of income. Once you create that stream of income, you create another stream of income. You see what I'm saying? And you just continue doing that. And after that, you put it into a source, an asset that can just pay you, where you don't really have to do anything. All right, that's what an asset is. An asset is something that you just put money into that just pays you. You don't have to, literally, you don't really have to do nothing. Like the work is so minimal, it's where you're not literally doing anything. Alright? Real estate, stocks, whatever like that, alright, stuff like that, etc., etc. Alright, you got your own business. So like, you gotta understand, like every single day, this is what I be doing, people. Alright? Wake up, work out. Alright, I'm gonna have my video that comes out that teach you guys how to fast. Alright, I'll be fasting 5 days a week. I'll be fasting, so like intermittent fasting, like half of the day or whatever, like 15 hours out of the day, 14 hours a day, no food, no nothing. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do stuff like that, just to keep your body insane and just keep your mind insane, because there's so much things going on an every single day basis. Alright, there's so many things going on every single day. You gotta do this, you gotta do that, you gotta go here, you gotta go there. Alright, so many different things going on every single day basis. One thing that I want to do real quick, let me just cash out. I had a PrizeRebel cash out yesterday. Just want to cash this out real quick. There's a quick $10 cash out right here. If you watched the last video that I did, I think it was a $20 cash out. I don't remember the last video. I think it was a $20 cash out. This one's gonna be a $10 cash out right here. A couple earnings that I had yesterday, see right here, $1.93 yesterday. So like I said, people, there's nothing. If I was on this site using this every day, I'd probably be trying to make $10. Maybe $10 a day off the site, depending on how much time I got. $8, $10 to get on one of my other sites, make $3, $4. Get on my other site, make like $4, $5 on that one. End of the day, you make like $20, $30. You know what I'm saying? In your spare time, though. This is where you got downtime. Kids fall asleep, or you up late, you can't go to sleep, whatever the case may be. You got downtime. You get on here, you start grinding. All right, let me just cash this out real quick. Go to rewards. And like I said, people, daily vlog, wake up, work out, hop in the shower. I come through, I come to the backyard, check everything, make sure everything alright. After that, go inside, Clean out that filter. I got a filter inside. I gotta clean that filter out. After that, I'm just checking my sites now, right? After that, I'm just checking my sites. Look at the time. I probably got like another hour to go, so I gotta go to work, right? So that's one thing that I'm really trying to get out the habit of, right? Like I said, the workouts I be doing. Watch the other video that I have posted about a couple weeks ago. That's one type of workout right there. But all I do is that type of workout, but just different workouts into it. That way you get like 400 sets. So I'll do 25 reps in one set. So I'll do 4 different sets. You see what I'm saying? I'll do 4 sets of push-ups. So that's 100 push-ups. 4 sets of jumping jacks. That's 100 jumping jacks. So I'll just do that 4, 5, 6 different type of workouts, and then I end up with 600 reps at the end of the workout. 500 reps, 600 reps. It only take like 15 minutes. 10, 15, 20 minutes. So you gotta just do it every day. That's it. Alright, so yeah. Let me scroll right here. Scroll right here, catch this out. I just want to catch this out. Because lately it hasn't been catching out quickly. I don't know why. So I should have catched it out the minute I got on this video. Like a minute. But we'll see what happens right now. Like I said, people, look, it's 8:30 in the morning. Went to sleep at like, Lord knows when I went to sleep. 2:30 in the morning. I went to sleep at like 2 o'clock. And I woke up at 6. Why? Why am I doing this? You know what I'm saying? Where's this PayPal custom? Hold on. Where am I going? So regular PayPal right here. Scroll down, go to $10 right here. And I'm gonna claim this item right here. So like I said, people, this is like, I have no business being up right now, right? I could be in the bed just chilling. Little man's at grandma's house, I pick him up later. Like, I could just be just chilling, doing no. We gotta grind, we gotta push, we gotta scratch, we gotta claw, we gotta do something. You can't sit still, people. You cannot sit still. One day you're gonna be sitting still for forever. So you gotta put that in your head, alright, on an everyday basis. Like, yo, shit. Let's really think about it here. let's really really put the math on the table. Like, come on now. So like, we gotta go right now, people. Everything, right? So I catch this out right here. So that should be in a little bit later. So like I said, people, like, this is what we do. Like, it depends on how you wanna push it, like on an every single day basis. Like whatever your side business is, whatever income investment you got, alright. What I got planned for the day is really Sunday. So 12 o'clock, a couple of hours I got landscaping to do, alright? So let's talk about that real quick, alright? Free All Out Money Making, my channel, alright? I took money from that to create my landscaping, alright? To create my landscaping. So like when I did that, like, so you gotta understand, now every weekend somebody hits me up like, yeah, come check my house out, or come do this, I need you to cut my grass, I'm having a cookout, or I'm having a party this weekend, I need you to come clean all this up, blah, 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 right? I'm the man, hit me up. I'm gonna come through, hook you up. You see what I'm saying? So like, now I just created really a side business. Because people hit me up, that's a customer, and I have to go to their house and do something for them, which is a service, and they pay me for it. Straight cash app, or cash. Either cash app, right? So like, thin air. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, you just create something out of thin air. Like, same way, my YouTube channel, create it out of thin air. Like, you just think of something, you create it. Stay with it and use it every single day. That's it. Like, whatever you want to do, just do it every single day. Do not stop doing what you do. That's all it is. And you're going to reap off the benefits that you need to reap, but it depends how much work you put in. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm still busy in my life. Like, I'm still like learning how to really move into this, you know what I'm saying, into this whole different mindset, lifestyle. You see what I'm saying? Of like not really like taking no for an answer, like just going hard, pushing, scratching, like not even like just not playing around no more. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like 24 hours is 24 hours now. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not like today is just today. No, today is like 24 hours. How much are we gonna get done in 24 hours? Right? That's the motto every single day. Alright, that's how I be moving every single day. Alright, so the rest of the day, Nothing, basically, right? Pick up little man from grandma's house and you chilling with little man all day acting crazy, causing a mess, right? But guess what? You gotta work before you play. So I gotta do like 3-4 hours of landscaping, right? Got a couple of houses to do, bang that out, and pick up little man and come home and just, you know, spend time with the fam. So what do you want to do? Like, it's up to you people. You gotta continue to keep creating. Then all that time frame is gonna be 2 more workouts within the day, within the night, and then 2-3 more workouts. All right, so like, it's up to you on every single day basis. What type of work you putting in? What are you doing? You know what I'm saying? Why are you doing it? You know what I'm saying? Like, let me scroll up here real quick. You see the cash outs right here. Like, it's nothing crazy, but it's just a couple dollars every single day. That's all. Every other day, not every single day, but you can cash out every single day if you want to. Like I said, watch my first 50 videos, people. First 50, 100 videos, be like, whoa. I'm telling you, people, like, but it's all about how much work you want to put in. Alright, and on an everyday basis, you want to see how much can I get done today. Like, alright, so how much can I get done today? That's what you should be thinking every single day. With all the distractions coming in at you, like, I gotta do this, I gotta handle this, I gotta do this for the kids, I gotta, like, everything. Oh, like, I gotta think about the business, or I gotta create this new income. Oh my God, I gotta put money in this investment I forgot to do. I gotta do this. I got bills to pay. Oh man, this bill's due. I gotta do it. Right? Well, what you trying to do? Why are you trying to do it? You see what I'm saying? This money can't go to, like, you can't spend this money on, like, stuff that don't matter. You have to, like, understand that you cannot do that. It's gotta be grind, be different. You gotta wanna be different. You gotta wanna be different on your people. You gotta want it. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, whatever it is that you want, just want it more than anything, and put the work in. That's the reason why 90%, like 95% of people are not really doing what they gotta do, or are not living up to their potential. Like, first off, we're human, so it's gonna be hard, right? But then that's why it's only a select few that's like living crazy different, and then everybody else is a big majority just living basically the same. Because it's hard to be different. It's really hard. It's not easy to be different. It's hard. It's hard to be built different, right? You know what I'm saying? Putting 4 workouts or 3 workouts a day every single day. That's different. You see what I'm saying? That's not doing it just because you're doing it because this is what you want to do. Like, this is how you live now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Eating better. Like, not eating bad foods or eating good. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's different. You see what I'm saying? Like, fasting and doing stuff like that, that's different. Like, most people eat 4 times a day, 5 times a day, right? But you eat 1 time a day, 2 times a day. Like, for 5 days straight, for like 6 days, like, you know what I'm saying? That's 6 days straight. Like, or people that do really fast. Like, I can't do that, but I could probably do that, but I wouldn't even want to do that. But the people that like really fast, like that's different people. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, I know people like, oh, I don't want to do that and all that. It is what it is, but you gotta be different. This is how you become different. Helping somebody out when they don't need help. Just wanting to help them. Just wanting to be there for somebody, just to be there for somebody. That's different. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got $1 in your pocket, see a bum on the street, that's different. Whether or not the homeless person is gonna do something good with it or not, it doesn't matter. It's just different. Just be different. Like, stop being the same. Everybody's the same. Stop being the same. Be different. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever you're trying to do, whatever it is, just go hard at it. I'm telling you. Just go hard. I'm telling you, when I started the channel, I'm telling you, so many people was like, yo, what do you... That's dumb. That's not gonna work. 6 subscribers, 9 subscribers, all family members. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, this is how it starts, and you just go. Like, listen, I know what I'm doing can help somebody. Whoever gonna need the help is gonna ride, and you know we're gonna make something happen. We're gonna be able to share ideas. Just want like-minded individuals. That's all. And now you're gonna be able to, you know, do what you gotta do. So it's on an every single day basis. Why I keep saying that. That's why I say you want to grind, you want to push, you want to do something, like whatever it is. I don't know what you do. I'm just letting you guys know what I be doing. Like, it's Sunday at 8:46 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do landscaping in about an hour, 2 hours. I want to go play ball, so I'm about to go play basketball from around the corner. Probably like, you know, 30 minutes, quick 30 minutes, an hour, play some basketball. Quick. So it's like, just be different, people. Go do landscaping, do what I do. You gotta have a juggle of what you're doing. You can't just be